My name is Demi, and what I'm about to share, the professional hair industry does not want you to hear. For 28 years, I worked inside professional salons, behind the chair, inside the industry, learning every single thing they know. I've seen what actually works, and I've seen what this industry deliberately hides from every woman sitting in that chair. The damage hiding inside products you trust every day, marketed to make your hair beautiful while quietly destroying it. This bottle right here, sulfates, silicones, ingredients your stylist knows are stripping your hair, and they never said a word. I spent nearly 3 decades watching this happen. I'm the one who's finally going to stop it, and I'm not holding anything back. The women in my chair were spending hundreds of dollars every year for results they could have gotten at home. 28 years of watching this industry profit from what you don't know, 28 years of secrets I'm done keeping. Every technique, every shortcut, every product swap that actually works, it was always yours. You just didn't know it yet. I watched this industry take money from women month after month, banking on the fact that nobody would ever tell them the truth. All it took was someone willing to step out from behind a chair and finally show you how. That someone is me. I know exactly what's real and what's a marketing lie. I cut through the noise so you never waste another dollar. That's exactly why I built this to hand you everything I know. Every secret, every shortcut the industry has been hiding. The same results you're paying a salon for. Half the cost, half the time, without ever leaving your home. No more guessing at the drugstore, no more wasted money on products that don't work. No more bad advice from people who profit off your confusion. These techniques don't care where you live. They work in London, in LA, in Tokyo, and in your bathroom. What your stylist does behind closed doors, every trick, every method, every product secret they use on you but never share, I will. Every single technique, every product they swear by, all of it, finally yours, with nothing held back. Your results, your timeline, your terms, you are done handing your money and your power over to someone else. Everything you thought you needed a salon for, it all changes. Starting right now, starting with you. Drop it in the comments. What do you want to know first? Ask enough and I'll make the video. Welcome to Roots to Riches. I'm Demi. Your salon days are officially numbered and your best hair days are just beginning. One secret every single week, straight from the chair to you. Subscribe and don't miss a drop.